So acne can be so multifactorial. It can be bacterial, maybe your phone, maybe something you're touching your face with. Acne can be stress regulated. So if your cortisol levels are going up, it can really break out. Acne can be related to your hormones. So if your periods are irregular or if you've changed your birth control, acne can actually be related to fungus. So if you've been working out more and not cleansing as much, acne can be related to diet. If you're, taking a new supplement, new whey protein or creatine, or conversely, if you're just not getting the right nutrients. Acne can be related to dehydration. If you're not getting enough moisturization, not enough humidity, not enough water, sometimes your skin cells can be dry and flaky and you can get some acne rosacea. Acne can be related to so many factors. So in general, if you're not getting the results that you want, you should consult a board certified dermatologist and we can help you determine the root cause and not just kind of, put a Band-Aid on it.